Is Titanium University worth it? This could get a little controversial. We'll see. So I guess it depends. What are you looking for? To me, it was worth it. And here's why. Not do we just have access to RJ's education. Like, y'all already have education off YouTube. What the university is about is implementing and networking and just having a community. So if you're looking strictly for education, I'll just say go to RJ or my channel and just watch it. But if you're ready to take action and like actually do business and actually do deals, then yes. But if you're going to sit on the sidelines, I'll be the first to tell you, like, don't do it. Like, don't waste your money. But there are so many perks to this university. It's wild. Like, comp reviews. I mean, one of the best comper, if not the best comper in the whole world, Cassie DeHaas, shout out Cassie, you have access to her. If you need a property comped, then send it in. She'll let you know. The team will let you know. Literally, Titanium Investments is at your fingertips. Not only that, we have the king closer himself, RJ, live seller call reviews. So you can submit a call. Every Thursday, he'll do some. And if you submit them, you'll probably get reviewed because a lot of people are not taking advantage of this. So there's a few things. What's some others? Well, we got a book club, baby. We got book club. And may be like, I don't want to join book club. Well, book club is about personal development and like cognitive behavioral psychology and business development, which leads me to the next probably least known but most value of Titanium University is Uncle Nick Robbins. Now, a little bit about Uncle Nick Robbins. He's built seven-figure businesses, eight-figure businesses. He's worked in the NBA. He's worked in the NFL. He's been friends with Alex Hormozy, whatever. Like, they're affiliates somehow together. And this guy is next level. I mean, if you're talking about bettering yourself, bettering your business, anything, I could go forever on it. Mindset, that's Nick. So you'll actually find a lot of people, sorry, RJ Cassie, say that Nick's calls are the best. And I'd have to agree. So there's another thing. I'm not even to the point yet. Like, we're just barely touching the ice. So next, who knows? It's the community, the members. Dude, there's so many people in Titanium, like across the US, and they all have buyers. We got dispo houses here. They got buyers everywhere. So if you're like, hey, I get deals, but I don't know what to do, I can't dispo them. Welcome to Titanium. You got your pick. Here's a deck of cards. All of them are dispo houses. Who do you want? Most of them can do nationwide. Now, they each have their niches, but I mean, dude, where else can you get on-demand JV partners that actually do deals? I'm talking six-figure weeks. Like, we actually do this. So if you're ready for action, like I said, come on, baby. But the community, I can't stress it enough. The members, I have met so many good friends now, good business partners. I've done multiple deals with multiple students. I've learned a crap ton from these students. And it's really that community you get and just access to everyone. I mean, imagine if you had 1,000 investors from all levels, from all across the nation at your fingertips. Well, you do. So is Titanium worth it? It depends. Who are you? What are you willing to put into it? So I would suggest highly, go down below. I got my link, book a call with them, but better yet, actually, go down even further is my one-on-one or Discord and book a call with me. Let's talk about it. I want you to hear from me, someone that's actually been there, done it. I mean, I'm just a small town boy here working in my house in Southern Ohio in the woods, virtually, nationwide wholesaling. I didn't know anything before Titanium. I couldn't have told you what a contract was. I couldn't have told you what a title company was. I could have swore wholesaling and RJ were both fake. Since then, I've done a good bit of deals. I now have some mentees I teach. I have seen these people that I bring into Titanium now be employed by RJ, legit from knowing nothing to joining Titanium, to learning the process. It's the process. Don't fall in love with the result. It's our process. And now Sam Weaver, for example, works for the Titanium Investments. So is it worth it? It's up to you. Would I suggest it? Yes. So I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you NTU. And don't forget to hit that like button, smash the subscribe, and looking forward to the next one. See ya.